Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. If you want to see how I got this look today using the Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay, please keep watching. This is episode 2 in our series of going through my palettes, revisiting them, seeing if I want to keep them. So please keep watching to see what I think about this one. Everybody, it is the day after Christmas and I'm starting a couple of new little series on my channel. There's two things I actually need to go through terribly, and just going through the drawers doesn't do it justice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start working a series on foundation and on my eyeshadows. So I'm probably gonna do my my eyes first. Please ignore all this silliness on my face. But I am gonna put some of this Volcasmic on because it's a matte glow moisturizer, and I've just been loving it. I tell you, I thought I would not repurchase it. I'm probably gonna repurchase this. It smells like creamsicles, and it's just perfect. Alright, let that set into our skin. And we're gonna put some tape up on our eyes and we're gonna film an eye look. How's that? How exciting. Because I never do those. But I have so many palettes. If I don't use them, I don't know. I don't know. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the ones that I don't use. Oh, my hair is like a little bit crazy. Jessica, my hair's a little bit crazy. So the palette we're going to go in with today is the Naked palette by Urban Decay, the Naked Heat palette. I have this in this size, and I also have the little mini. So I know the shimmers work. I love the shimmers. I'm going to do a matte look. If you've been watching me, you know I'm kind of in doing matte looks lately. It's kind of my thing. It's just my thing. I can't help it. So, yeah. If I do know, as I go through the palettes, if I do know of a dupe for the palette, I will mention it. Okay. God, that my butt. Alrighty. We're gonna go in and put some setting down. We're gonna put that out because I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes when we're done. So yeah, I hope everybody had a beautiful Christmas. It was really, really a peaceful Christmas here. You know, me and my husband talked about it. We didn't go overboard. You know, we don't have kids and all that stuff, so we are fortunate enough that when we want something, we just buy it for ourselves or each other. We give each other gifts all year round. I mean, we're just lucky. Alright, so that's my Painterly pot on my eyes. I've been trying all kinds of eye primers as well, and I hadn't used this in a while, and I go back to using it and I remember why I love it, because my eyeshadow does not budge with it on. Okay, we're going to go into Chaser, this shade right here, and we'll put that all over our eye. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe, yeah. We're just going to set down that. Primer, riser, and we're going to go after I do this, we're going to go right into the color next to it called Sauced. I'll show that to you again. It's this shade right here. We'll put that as our transition. That has got a lot of kick up. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I have glitter on my face. It's shocking. It's Christmas and I have glitter on my face. I look like a piece of wrapping paper. That is pretty pigmented. Okay, so I'm going to go in right next to it to Low Blow, and I'm going to put that into my crease. Same brush. We're just kind of working our way up the palette. As long as you're getting darker with your colors, you should be okay to use the same brush. But it's a personal preference. Low Blow. So, what is everybody like? What is your New Year's resolution? I don't really have a resolution. I just, dang, can I be healthier this year? Can I just feel good, go to the gym a couple days a week or whatever, and eat better? If I would just go to the gym, I would not have any problems. Because I don't, well, I do eat candy. And I'm not swearing off of candy, like, I'm just not. Alright, we're going to use a little bit of a tighter brush. I'm going to go, this is my Urban Decay. I think it's a shader brush, but we're going to use it. And we're going to go into this shade right here, which is called He Devil. He Devil. And we're going to put that on the outer part of our eye and up into that crease, just to see, this is something I'm learning with matte shades. They just do so much better when you pat them. Yeah. He Devil. I'd say I know him, but my husband's been very good lately. It's because Santa was coming. Just kidding. Just kidding, baby. Not that he's watching. He doesn't watch this. You know, I don't know what I'm going to do all over my eye. I think I'm going to go into Sauced. I'm going to go back into Sauced and put that all on my lid. And I'm using this little Chickahominy shader brush. I know, you guys really want me to say the right name. It's not Chickahominy. And it's not Shakira. I love it. I wish I could say it. It's C-H-I-K. It's Shikuhudo. Woo! I can't even. I can't even. Woo! Okay. Yeah, it's that brush. Alright, so now I'm going to get really, really dark, and I'm going to start to get into this. I skipped over Cayenne. I'm going to go into this Inferno right here. And we're going to put that, well, we're going to put that down. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'm actually going to pull it forward because I like it so much. Inferno. Alright, guys. This is not Inferno. It's Enfuego. Big dummy. You big dummy. Really? Don't get me started on some of these names. Alright, and then I'm going to go right into the outer edges with this Ashes color. Which is like a dark brown-ish color. And I don't want to go all the way over that Inferno. I just want to put it on the outer part of my eye. Just a little bit. And if I feel like I'm covering up that Inferno, which I think I am, I'm going to go Inferno. In Fuego, I'm just going to go back in and make sure we still have some transition there. Okay. So I'm going to go into this little shade here. It's called Ounce. I don't think there's any shimmer to it, but we're going to find out. And we're using my Sigma E35, I think. Don't think this has any. I don't know if I did what I wanted to do. I don't think I did, but you know, we gotta make it match. Alright, so let's go back into Fuego. Just kind of buff the edges a little bit. So we have some transition. Okay. Alright, so for right now, that is all I'm gonna do on the eyes. And we're gonna So this is the look I got using the Naked Heat palette from Urban Decay. Using all mattes. I'm loving mattes the way they're going on my eyes. It's making me want to make a purchase, but I won't. Yeah, so 2 palettes down in our series right now. 2 palettes I'm going to keep. And yeah, so I'm going to put this in a pile I'm going to put this in a bag for Nona, because she would kill me if I threw it in the trash. And because it's just not, I don't necessarily like a shiny, I don't like a pearl lip, like a metallic lip. I've decided that it doesn't look right on my lips. So, alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.